What's up, guys? Welcome back to Race Spec, and the camera getting blurry again. Shit. Let's try this again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Race Spec. We got the boy Amin with us, and basically we're going to replace the windshield decal on the RST because it is very, very cracked. And we got a truck show coming up, and we can't show up with this, man. Look how bad that is. That is horrible. Also, we washed the truck, so it's looking very, very icy, very clean. And we're gonna have it detailed before the show. But we were getting weird lighting. That means turning on glasses because half the truck is under shade, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna take off the decal, and I have a new one ready to go. We'll put that on. A separate video is this whole why it's missing the caps. Spoiler alert! I broke the mirror because I'm dumb. But yeah, we'll get to that. So let's take that off. All right, guys. So a lot of you would think there is a head unit thing here, but no, this is where I keep my knives, my shanks, if you will. But yeah, Amin and I are both gonna take one, and then we're gonna take this off. I will go find a step stool because that's very high. I'm also like 4'10", so we'll get this done. When you're 6'2" and still need a stool. Great progress. I've done this part, Amin's done that part. It's coming out pretty good. I'll probably keep slicing it to try and get that adhesive off, and I'll use some gasoline, and then I'll bring out the new decal, which we bought online. Guys, we got Amin out here. What we did out, as you can see over here, is we put tape on the edges where the decal was. Helps us know exactly where it was. Amin's got the Guggen automobile, and he's gonna go ahead and clean it. Well, I should get. You need like a microfiber towel, huh?
Yes, please.
All right, well, we'll find one.
Just get one of those.
I'm thinking about an old one.
There's something back there.
Really?
Unless you don't want to use.
We have acquired an old, crappy microfiber towel. How does it work? You just put it on there and you wipe it off?
Yes.
Cray cray. I've used this like once when I was taking the stripes off my GT500.
Gotta let it soak.
I hated it. Nah, is that the trick? He loves Goopy Gone, man. I hated it, but obviously because I guess I didn't know how to use it. All right, well, I'm gonna go inside while he does this, I guess, and go get the decal. So I'll be back. Oh wait! Oh! What's he doing?
Extra.
Hey. So the adhesive is gone, but I left a little faint outline. That's good. Now we know exactly where the decal went. Which the decal is right over here. Brand new, fresh, nuevecita. Also, you can tell on the other one, Regency is in red, but it will be now. So, heck yeah, get it on and get on with it. So what I do when I do decals is I spray, not like stripes, but like things like this. I'll spray it with water, and then I'll throw the decal on and I'll squeegee it off. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. The start one, yeah. And then you can also move so the lighting gets better. You do it from there, it'll be a little nicer. What's up, guys? So we got the decal on. I already squeegeed out the water. Ooh. Maybe we have too much Guggen, I don't know. Man, this gets tricky sometimes, dude. Sometimes it doesn't want to like stick. Ugh. And then you just take it off and you go from there. Should I wait?
If it's not sticking, you have.
Yeah, I should wait. Maybe I'll let it bake in the sun a little bit. Alright, guys, we'll let it bake in the sun a little bit, and then we'll see you guys in a bit. Dun, 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 dun. Put it on the sun to dry a little bit. Looks semi-dry. We'll wait a little longer, make sure it sticks, and we'll unveil how it looks. Oh, it's not very dry, man.
It's not?
Nah, not really. Oof.
Are you still going for it?
Kind of. Ooh. Dude, give me the squeegee, man. Dude, give me the squeegee. It's right there. No bueno, man. Jesus. Trickier than I thought, man.
Taking it off was the easiest part.
Yeah, who would have thought, dude? I'm gonna go ahead and blame the Gooby gun.
I don't think it's valid.
You like that thing too much, dude. Woo!
It's the best.
I think I'm like the worst YouTuber at installing decals maybe ever. Should have gotten Jay to help me with this. He does own a decal business. Instead I went with trap support from Ramin.
That's right.
Hey!
It'd be a sus job at best.
Sus job at best. Is that it? Alright, I think I'm gonna get the chair so I can finish it off that way. The whole middle came out real good.
So it's not the goo gun.
Installer error. Oh god. Oh god. Sick. Can already tell it looks way better, dude. Making it look like it's 2005 again, bro. Oh shit. Save the squeege.
Some good B-roll film for you.
What's up?
Some good B-roll film. You even know what that means?
No.
Of course.
B-roll is just like in between, right?
It's kind of like stuff it's filler. Stuff usually without audio or
Yeah, I do that all the time.
not the main,
Not the main content, but
not the meat and potatoes of the video.
you know, I mean, we did a pretty damn good job. Look at this.
Yeah, whose side was that?
Yours?
Yeah.
Who's the one that laid it?
We're not looking at that part.
Yeah, well, we have a couple creases over there. We won't talk about that. Dude, why you stop zooming in so much? Hey, yeah, dude, it's good. All right, guys. Well, I mean, he's gonna leave us. He's gonna go build a shed at his house.
That's right.
That's right, man. But anyways, here's the truck. And
Dude, what the fuck?
but anyways, here's the truck. Much better now with the updated stripes and decal. Makes the truck look way fresher. Obviously, a detail is in the cards now, so you got to make it look ultra fresh. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the video. Quick little, I guess, content for y'all. But I know if you guys have an RST, all these decals go bad all the time. But it's garage now, so, or at the warehouse, so it shouldn't go bad too often now. And anyways, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys at Truck Mayhem, probably, and I'll see y'all next time. Skirt.